Welcome back to Machinery Magazine, the channel where industrial innovation comes to life. From massive fabrication workshops to high-speed production lines, today's journey follows the transformation of raw steel into essential products used in cities, transportation networks, and manufacturing plants around the world. We'll explore powerful press brakes, automated stamping systems, and precision metal forming technologies that shape everything from street lighting poles to automotive components. Let's step inside the modern factory and discover how advanced machinery turns flat metal into finished products. Here we see a tandem press brake system working on long steel sheets. Unlike a standard press brake, tandem machines synchronize multiple bending units, allowing operators to process oversized workpieces that would otherwise be impossible to form on a single machine. The steel sheets are carefully positioned before the bending cycle begins. Thousands of tons of controlled pressure are applied to gradually transform flat material into the tapered shapes required for lighting poles. Accuracy is critical because even small deviations can affect assembly, structural strength, and long-term durability. Street poles must withstand wind loads, temperature changes, and years of outdoor exposure. That is why manufacturers rely on advanced CNC controls to ensure consistency from one pole to the next. After seeing how large structural components are formed, we now move into one of the most fascinating areas of modern manufacturing, the automotive stamping industry. Automobile production depends on millions of metal parts being manufactured with remarkable precision and speed. From brackets and reinforcements to structural supports and mounting components, every vehicle contains numerous stamped parts that must meet strict dimensional requirements. At the heart of this process is the SIMPAC tandem press line. This highly automated production system combines multiple presses working in sequence to transform raw sheet metal into complex components. Instead of completing a part in a single operation, each press performs a specific stage of forming, gradually shaping the material into its final geometry. The process begins when steel blanks enter the production line. Automated feeding systems position the material with incredible accuracy. Robotic transfer mechanisms move the workpiece from one station to the next, ensuring consistent production speeds while reducing the need for manual handling. The first press often performs initial forming operations. Here, the metal begins its transformation as force is applied through specially engineered dies. These dies are among the most important tools in manufacturing because they determine the shape, dimensions, and quality of the finished component. As the part progresses through the line, subsequent presses perform additional operations, such as drawing, trimming, flanging, piercing, or restriking. Each stage brings the component closer to its final design while maintaining precise tolerances. One of the greatest advantages of a tandem press line is flexibility. Manufacturers can configure the system to produce a wide variety of components while maintaining high productivity levels. This flexibility is especially important in the automotive industry, where different vehicle models require unique parts and frequent production changes. Automation plays a crucial role throughout the entire operation. Sophisticated sensors monitor part positioning, transfer accuracy, and production timing. These systems help prevent errors, improve efficiency, and reduce material waste. The massive forces generated during stamping are truly impressive. Depending on the application, presses may exert hundreds or even thousands of tons of pressure. Despite these enormous forces, Modern equipment is capable of maintaining remarkable precision over millions of production cycles. Another key factor is material science. Automotive manufacturers increasingly use advanced high-strength steels that provide improved crash performance while reducing vehicle weight. These materials help improve fuel efficiency and support the industry's ongoing transition toward electric vehicles. However, stronger materials are often more difficult to form. This challenge has driven significant advancements in press technology, die design, and process control. Modern press lines are engineered to handle these demanding materials while maintaining production quality and efficiency. Quality control is integrated throughout the manufacturing process. Operators and automated inspection systems continuously monitor dimensions, surface quality, and part consistency. Early detection of deviations helps prevent costly defects and ensures reliable performance in the final vehicle. Beyond the tandem press line, we also see an eccentric press line dedicated to smaller components. Eccentric presses are widely used for high-speed stamping operations, where production volume is a top priority. Unlike some forming processes that rely on slower hydraulic movements, eccentric presses utilize a rotating crank mechanism to generate rapid and repeatable motion. This design allows manufacturers to produce thousands of parts during a single shift. Small automotive components may seem insignificant individually, but together they play vital roles throughout the vehicle. Brackets, clips, connectors, reinforcements, and mounting hardware all contribute to safety, functionality, and durability. The efficiency of these production lines highlights a broader trend in global manufacturing. Factories today are increasingly focused on automation, digital monitoring, and data-driven optimization. Many facilities now collect production information in real time, enabling engineers to identify bottlenecks, improve machine utilization, and maximize overall equipment effectiveness. Energy efficiency has also become an important consideration. Modern press systems are designed to reduce power consumption while maintaining productivity. Advanced drive technologies, optimized motion control, and intelligent operating systems all contribute to more sustainable manufacturing operations. Worker safety remains another critical priority. Automated handling systems reduce direct interaction with moving machinery, while protective barriers, light curtains, and advanced safety controls help create safer working environments. As vehicle designs continue to evolve, stamping technology will remain a cornerstone of automotive production. Whether manufacturing traditional passenger cars, commercial vehicles, or next-generation electric vehicles, these highly automated press lines enable manufacturers to produce large volumes of precision components with exceptional consistency. Watching these machines in action provides a glimpse into the extraordinary engineering behind products many of us use every day. Long before a vehicle reaches the showroom floor, countless stamped components have already passed through sophisticated manufacturing systems like these, demonstrating the remarkable capabilities of modern industrial technology. From high-volume automotive production, we return to heavy metal fabrication with an impressive 3,000-ton tandem CNC press brake system designed for light pole manufacturing. Working with extremely long steel sheets presents unique challenges. Maintaining straightness, symmetry, and dimensional accuracy across the entire length of a pole requires advanced engineering and precise machine synchronization. The ACCURL tandem solution combines multiple CNC-controlled press brakes into a unified system capable of handling oversized workpieces. Operators program bending sequences through sophisticated control software, allowing each machine to move in perfect coordination. As the steel sheet progresses through the bending process, enormous force is distributed evenly across the material. This controlled pressure prevents distortion while ensuring the final shape meets strict design specifications. Modern lighting poles serve more than a simple illumination function. Many now support surveillance systems, communication equipment, traffic monitoring devices, and smart city technologies. As a result, manufacturing standards have become increasingly demanding. The integration of CNC technology provides repeatability, reduces setup times, and minimizes human error. Manufacturers can produce large batches with consistent quality while maintaining efficient production schedules. This combination of heavy-duty force and digital precision represents the future of large-scale metal fabrication, where productivity and accuracy work hand in hand. Next, we take a closer look at a CNC press brake operating on a smaller scale but with equally impressive precision. Press brakes are among the most versatile machines in metal fabrication. They are used to create brackets, enclosures, structural components, cabinets, electrical panels, and countless custom products found across multiple industries. The process begins with a flat metal sheet positioned between a punch and die. Guided by CNC programming, the machine applies carefully controlled force to create precise bends at predetermined angles. What makes modern CNC press brakes particularly valuable is their ability to achieve repeatable accuracy. Complex parts often require multiple bends, each performed in a specific sequence. Digital controls ensure these operations are completed consistently from one component to the next. Advanced backgauge systems automatically position the material, reducing setup time and improving productivity. Operators can quickly switch between different jobs, making CNC press brakes ideal for both mass production and custom manufacturing. Whether producing a single prototype or thousands of identical components, these machines demonstrate how precision engineering supports virtually every sector of modern industry. Our final manufacturing process features the Nanjing BYFO JB 23 to 40T power press, equipped with a TDF corner mold. This specialized setup is commonly used in HVAC duct production, where strong and accurate corner connections are essential. Thank Thank you for joining us on this journey through modern metal fabrication and industrial manufacturing. From massive tandem press systems to high-speed automotive stamping lines, today's machines showcase the incredible technology driving global production. If you enjoyed this inside look at advanced machinery, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Machinery Magazine for more fascinating industrial innovations.